welcome in this video about how we try to make our floor so waterproof as possible. Because you make a lot of holes in the floor and just drilling a hole and then putting the pipes through it doesn't feel like the right thing to me. It feels like it's gonna leak quite intense and it all gets into your insulation, into your woodwork, and you don't want that. So what we did is we bought tank connections made from PVC, and on one side it has a screwing system and a layer of rubber and a thick layer of thick plastic, so that when you screw it together it actually closes himself quite nicely. So what we did is we put in every hole one of these, and there are different sizes. You have the big ones that we use for our ventilation hole for the gas, but we also have the small ones that are perfect for like the gas tubes that are coming in and stuff like that. It perfectly fits. We made the hole, we treated it, we put a PVC connection in with the rubber on the top, and we screwed it from the bottom together. But because your van is never completely flat, because that would be way too easy, we use this hippo tape. Ta-da! It is like gummy stuff that you can just cut into the size you want it, and then you take off one side and it directly connects to where you stick it on, and it really sticks, I swear. So that is how we leveled the floor under where the screw system was gonna be. So now all the connections are straight, they are leveled, they are connected properly, and hopefully they're not leaking. When we were screwing the bottoms in, we put a little bit of kit in it, and we kit around it as well, just to make sure that it's all so waterproof as possible. So I will show you. Here we got the one that is made for the zinc, and as you can see, it's a nice PVC smooth connection. There is no way that's gonna go leak. The pipe of the zinc will exactly fit in this, so there's no way that there will be any water moving in. The Truma needs a lot of holes, so this is the big one for the ventilation of the Truma, and you can see it's a smooth connection. We're gonna put a nice van on top of it, not a van, just a roaster. And then you also have one here for the toilet outlet, for the gas connections, and with the ones that are like just gonna have pipes through, I'm going to probably put some more hippo tape around it, so there's no way it's going to be leaking through the holes inside. So that is basically what we did. I will show you the bottom now. So as you can see, we screwed it really tight, we put some extra kit around, so from here there will not be any water going into our insulation, and that is like everywhere we did the same. This way you can see it sticks out way more. It's a smaller one. This is for the gas. It's just really tight, it just works perfectly. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to not miss out on anything of our van build and soon van life. Bye!